How to add Dymmax and MetaMask application. Are guys facing issues to add Dymmax and MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, tap on the plus icon. Now click on search bar and search for Dymmax. In order to add Dymmax on your MetaMask application, just check this box and hit the next button. You can see the option for import, tap on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Dymmax will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Dymmax on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Dymmax, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.